What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage, coming to you from my Thursday auction purchase. And Mark, what do they call these things? Mark 4 Jetta that ran, let's see, I think this ran from 1999 until 2005, and then like in late 2005 the next Jetta came out. But this is a TDI. I have always wanted to try one of these, and this thing was so cheap I couldn't help but buy it. As you can see, or maybe not see, hopefully I can help you see, she's got some miles on her. She's got some miles on her, but man, does she run good. This is a little gold colored wagon. It's got an automatic, which I hear is like the biggest no-no for the Mark 4 Jetta or Golf or whatever. But this little unit shifts perfect. It's had to been replaced or rebuilt once. I mean, it's had to been, according to the little online forums and what have you, because you cannot even feel this little thing shift. The shifts are just imperceptible. Does need an alignment. I'm pulling to the right and my steering wheel is a little off center, but I got an appointment with the Firestone around the corner. I'm going to drop her off and have her lined up. And she's got a, what's weird is the car has a brand spanking new set of Goodyear tires on it. Brand new. I don't understand why the hell they didn't line the car up then. Because, I mean, it pulls, I mean, it's not the worst I've seen, but it definitely pulls to the right. You got to keep your hand on the wheel. But I wanted to get it, I haven't had it on the freeway, so I just wanted to get it out here and run it a little bit and see what driving one of these on the freeway is like. Diesel prices are through the roof, so I don't know what the hell I was thinking when I bid on this thing. But I just was thinking, ooh, TDI, old school wagon, man, this thing will sell cheap. Well, yeah, it sold cheap, all right. And then I thought, oh shit, diesel's $5-6 a gallon here in Tennessee, I think. But yeah, it's a good riding little car. This little engine makes 100 horsepower. It does make a little bit of torque, 177 pound-feet. And of course, I think it puts it out pretty low for you. But shoot, I'm cruising 70, 75 here, no problem. Turning about 2,300 RPM. She's quite a little cruiser. We'll take her out here in the country a little bit and let me stretch her legs. I want to see what 80, 85 looks like on the noise meter in my ears. But this was a 2-owner car, and the last owner has owned it for, oh my God, what was it? 12 years, I think. The second owner had it 12 years, I believe, yeah. So since like 2010. And they've, maintained it well. Timing belts have been done. I saw a timing belt change at somewhere like around 158, and then another one at like 220. So we got 250 on the car now. 250,000 miles, baby. We do have a cracked windshield. That sucks, but at least it stops right there so it doesn't come over here in your line of vision. But freezing cold air. She's decently clean. Leather seats that are not ass whipped. The car doesn't have a door ding, a scratch. I mean, it is really a nice little car. I'll get a walk around on it here in a little while. But let me just cruise this thing a little bit. I want to see what she'll comfortably cruise at. Cruise control works. So I'm set it right at about 75, 76 miles an hour. Turning about 2,400 RPM. Very smooth. Just a little bit of diesel drone. Just a little, not too bad. Looks like 80 miles an hour is about 2,600 RPM. Let's see if I'm gonna set the cruise right at 80 because we're going down a steep hill and about to go up a sharp one. So I want to see if she can pull the hill. All right, set on 80. Let's see what kind of downshift I get here. Well, she's holding steady. And she's staying in fifth. I guess she makes enough torque to pull this hill. That's pretty impressive. I know to you guys the hill doesn't look that steep, but it's an incline. Yep, pulled it just fine. Didn't even have to downshift. Now this thing could be a road queen king right here. Hit the brakes, caught up with this escape. Yeah, this little car's a little darling. This thing could be a nice little commute to work car. I don't know, I might entertain keeping it because I really didn't pay that much for it. Under $2,000. Nobody was really interested in it. There was one guy online that bid like 2 times against me, and then he gave up fast. He probably thought, 250,000 miles, I don't know, maybe not. But yeah, so far so good. Just need to get in alignment, get that steering wheel straight. She pulls to the right. But good temperature, right dead in the center where all Volkswagens like to ride. Got an airbag light on, but no, no check engine lights or other crazy warning lights. And cold air, man, she's cold. Yeah, I like this little car. She's real sweet. I'm gonna come back up this other ramp and I'll do an acceleration uphill. Well, I just spun the tires. She's got some torque, but that's to the floor. Uphill. She's not in any real big hurry, but she's doing all right. But right when I punched it from the green light, she spun the tires. I couldn't believe it. There's 80. Shoot, yeah, man. I'll set the cruise on about 75. The speed limit's low out here for some reason, so I'm going to set it on about 75. Yeah, this little car is nice, man. I like it. It's so smooth. I mean, just no vibration and just a good ride. I'm not going to open up any of the. It's got a sunroof, but it works, and all the windows work. This door lock does not work. Not sure what's up with that, but it don't work. Oh well, we'll dig into it and figure it out. It's got the Volkswagen Monsoon stereo. Sounds pretty good. Nice, and the speakers aren't blown, so that's nice. Heated seats. let's see. Let's do the back seat tour. I'm not real sure if there's any junk back there or not. Oh, I see one of those floor mat things. Oh, we do have the headliner pinned up. She's sagging. All these old wagons, the headliner sag on all of them. That's no big deal. That's perfect. We'll leave it just like that. Might even add a few more push pins. All right, guys. I'll get a little walk around when I get back to the shop and see what this thing looks like.